So I was gifted this Hygienic Beauty Mascara Remover and I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and when I tell you it takes all the mascara off. Typically, I used to always have residue, especially close to my eyelids when I wake up the next morning. But this mascara remover does wonders. Let me show you. This is the UZZA Lash Mascara Remover, which you can incorporate into your daily beauty hygiene routine. There's a spool, a pad, a plastic bottle, and of course the serum. The serum contains very mild ingredients, no perfumes and no fragrances, so it's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. The ingredients actually include castor oil, sweet almond oil, cucumber extract, which are also known for moisturizing and soothing your skin. So to use, you put some of the serum onto the pad and rub your eyes for about 20 seconds. Then you put some serum into the plastic bottle, put the spool inside there, and then you're going to brush your eyelashes. This is going to help bring out any of the remaining mascara that is still on your eyelashes. I would recommend not skipping the brushing part, as brushing your eyelashes with this serum helps to strengthen your eyelashes. Doing these steps actually, the serum does not leave any traces of residue of oil in your skin, and you actually do not need to rinse it off. It helps strengthen. As you can see here, all of the mascara is out.